Listen closely, because at the end of this video, your life will never be the same again. Soon I will reveal to you the main secrets that made me a millionaire that I studied from the greatest entrepreneurs in the world, and you will find that staying poor becomes almost impossible. First, I want you to imagine the weight of every unpaid bill lifting off your shoulders, the late-night worry replaced by solid, peaceful sleep. Picture opening your banking app and seeing numbers that let you breathe a little deeper. That feeling is possible, and it starts not with the economy, not with a lottery ticket, but with the thoughts you choose and the actions you take once this video ends, especially with the 6th step on this step-by-step strategy. The first one is to kill the bedtime story that riches drift in while you wait. Money gravitates to people already in motion, so look in the mirror and decide whether you are waiting for lightning or ready to strike your own match. Picture the life you want until you can taste the coffee in the kitchen you plan to own. Talk to yourself as if the deal is already signed, because language steers feelings. Feelings shape routines, and routines drag income behind them. Nothing grows in soil that is never tilled. So plant a seed today, even if you have only pocket change and borrowed tools. When someone else wins, do not let jealousy bite you. Staring at another person's feast while you sulk is like standing at a buffet with your hands in your pockets. Plenty of food, zero action. Treat their success as proof that opportunity lives on your street. Tell yourself, if that door opened for them, I can build my own door. Then aim your entire attention at one meaningful target. A mind sprayed in 20 directions, and keep only the thoughts that pay rent in your head. Find work you can at least like, and if your current job feels like wet cement around your ankles, start moving after hours until you discover something that fires you up. Life is too short to trade daylight for misery. I have watched people who adore their craft so fiercely that vacations feel like polite suggestions instead of desperate escapes. If you feel trapped, spend late evenings soaking up free tutorials, use weekends to test small experiments, and pivot the moment one of those experiments shows a spark. Passion might not pay tomorrow, but it compounds faster than any interest rate on earth. Feed your mind more than your phone. 30 quiet minutes with a good book on money or a video that teaches a skill will pull you farther than an afternoon surrendered to scrolling. Reading is free mentorship from giants, and it sharpens questions you did not know to ask. Remember, your environment often beats pure willpower, so if everyone at your table is complaining about the cost of living, find a new table, one where ideas and solutions circulate instead of gloom. Guard every minute like a diamond and use it only on actions that move you forward. Finish the task that matters most, then the next, stacking them like bricks in a bridge toward freedom. Live below your means. No exception. The discipline is not deprivation. It is a vote for your future, because every dollar you keep becomes an employee that works while you sleep. Send those dollars to assets that send thank you notes back in the form of dividends, interest, or extra cash flow. And watch your financial family tree grow new branches year after year. Setbacks will swing at you. When they do, breathe, dust off, and punch back. Time is the one resource you cannot reorder from any warehouse, so trade it like gold. Say yes to projects that move you forward, and no to anything that steals your daylight. And now the next move is yours. Wealth is not sorcery. It favours ordinary people who repeat simple actions with uncommon consistency. Promise yourself, say it aloud if it helps, that you will think like a winner, act like a builder, spend like a planner, and learn like a lifelong student. Begin today. Knowledge left idle is like seeds stuck in their packet, full of potential, yet unable to sprout. So close this video, stand up, and pick a small money-building act before the clock steals another hour. Action, even awkward first-day action, is the entry fee to the life you deserve. Staying poor after hearing this would mean choosing to ignore it, and you are too sharp for that. And you're so sharp that I bet you've already subscribed to this channel, right? If you haven't, do it now, and leave a like to see more videos like this in the future. Let me know in the comments what you think of this strategy, and I'll see you soon.